So this is the Magger68 HE by Luminkey. If you guys are still looking for an aluminum HE keyboard, then you might want to check this out and see how good this is for a premium mid-level HE keyboard. Special thanks to Mechlands for sending this keyboard for review. Rest assured, my review is always fair and square and based on my own thoughts and experience during the testing period. You can buy this keyboard directly from their online store. Link is in the description and pinned comment section. Inside the box, we have the Type-C cable, one extra switch. This is a Gateron White Pro, by the way, 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, and a quick startup guide. That's it. And of course, the Magger68 HE. And I will tell you this right now, it looks pretty good in person. There are a total of 3 colors available, and this is the milky white color. The case is a nice looking 6063 CNC aluminum with an anodized finish. Typing angle is 7 degrees and a semi-low profile. It's actually pretty nice to use it for a long gaming and typing sessions. Even if you do not use wrist pad, I find it very comfortable. These keycaps are made exclusively for this keyboard only, and it's from Aloha KB, a well-known premium-grade keycap maker, and you can really feel and see the difference from other non-premium keycaps. It's using the Gateron White Pro, and I like the switch because it's light and easy to press. It's like a Gateron Jade Pro, but it's just lighter. The stem is made from foam, polycarb material on top, and bottom housing is nylon PA66. It's fairly smooth and sounds good. Stabilizers are also good except for the spacebar, and that could be fixed easily. The Magger68 is a solid performer. You can adjust the debounce time from low to high, and the polling rate can go way up to 8000 Hz polling rate. Take note that this keyboard does not have any wireless connection, so it's only wired, and I think that's perfect for high polling rates and debounce time. The software is available for download and it's easy to use. Make sure you download and update the firmware first before using this keyboard. Also, remember to always recalibrate the switches before you adjust anything, so it will be more accurate and more precise. And as usual, you can remap the keys the way you want and adjust or customize the RGB lighting according to your preference and save up to 4 different profiles. The Hall effect features works really well. I mainly use the RT or Rapid Trigger, the Mod Tap or MT, and the SOCD or known as the Snap Tap. It's really nice for playing FPS games like the one I'm playing right now, the Marvel Rivals. And also there are 3 more HE features available like the DKS, TGL, and RS. Just learn how it works and feel free to use them as you like. Things I don't like about this keyboard is the LED position and the USB cable. The RGB lighting is nice, reminds me of my KBD68 light. It's a north-facing LED, while it should have been better if they made it south-facing because I know they can do that. I also have a mixed feeling about the transparent keycaps, to be honest. I mean, it's good for a gaming keyboard design, but when you have a good-looking keycaps like this, I think making it uniform is just way better. Or I just wish they just included a non-transparent extra keycaps instead of nothing. Do you guys agree? And for the USB cable, it's a small thing. I know it's a matter of preference, but I really think it should match the color of the keyboard. Like this one, this black cable color to me looks off and it does not really match the color overall. and it's really stiff. Would have been better if the color is either white or orange perhaps, but if you're using a custom cable, then this one wouldn't matter at all. Let me know guys what you think. So basically the performance is just the same, except the Pro version is using the Gateron Jade Pro HE switch, and as for now, it's still considered as the king of all HE switches. It can go up to 0.01mm sensitivity, while the Gateron White Pro can go 0.02mm. So the main difference is the overall design. The Pro is just aesthetically way better and good looking than the performance version. The Pro version is priced at $149.99 or 8,700 pesos, while the performance version is priced at $119.99 or around 7,000 pesos. I would always suggest to always go for the Pro, especially if you have the means to buy. But if you only need the HE features, then the performance version is really good enough. So that's just about it. Hope this video helps. You can buy this keyboard at mechlands.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you like to ask or say something about this keyboard review. This is JTECH. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next. Goodbye for now.